name's Ed. Welcome to my review of the Ecomobil ET. The Ecomobil ET can go 35 miles an hour and has a range of up to 20 miles. I purchased this Ecomobil ET last summer. I was able to get about 4 months of utilization out of the board, and then one day it just wouldn't turn on. I contacted Ecomobl. Me and Chris talked about a lot of things. I got a new battery. That didn't work. I got a new ESC. That didn't work. So last step was have it sent off to the best repair guy ever, DonJuan. Thanks to Tony from Vapor Trails YouTube channel for letting me know about DonJuan. Thank you, Tony. DonJuan did an amazing job on repairing my Ecomobil ET. If you can see, there are a lot of changes on the ET. The washer, the Mad Precision washers. You can't beat that. These bushings are really awesome. DonJuan put these bushings on also, and I ordered RipTide pivot cups 96A, and they're the green versions on RipTide, and the board carves like no other. The experience is amazing. This is what comes with the Ecomobil, a carrying case. In the carrying case, you get a skate tool, another tool here, and some hardware, extra hardware. DonJuan gave me some awesome stickers. These stickers are amazing. GODSTER Amps. Thank you, DonJuan. Also, I have a sticker in here from RipTide. Thank you, RipTide. Amazing service at RipTide. I purchased the white colored pivot cups for the Ecomobil ET, and I kind of messed up. I called RipTide and they switched it over super quick and made sure that I got the 96A green pivot cups for the Ecomobil ET sent to DonJuan to replace them. Amazing. Ecomobl does sell these bash guards. I think it's a little pricey on the website. I purchased these, I believe, on Amazon for like maybe $15 or less. And you get 2 of them. And they work really good. I'm not utilizing them right now on the board due to the fact that the grip tape just looks amazing. I mean, you can't beat that. All right. Next step is let's go for a test ride. All right, this is the Ecomobil ET. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and take a ride, but I'm gonna show you first. I replaced the rear wheels yesterday. I did a video, that'll be down below in the link. But yeah, let's go for a test ride.
then.